Hello everyone, this is Deepika Jala from Department of Mathematics, Trine University, Ahmedabad. Today we discuss something about the equations of line in various form. That means equation of line having 2 points, equation of line having slope and 1 point, and intercept of line having slope and y-intercepts. So let's discuss first point, equation of line joining 2 points. Okay, so let's take 2 points A and B whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2. You can see here this one is point A whose coordinates are x1 and y1. That means this point lies on x-axis as a distance of x1 और ये point y-axis पे है y1 जितने distance पे. And let's take another point B whose coordinates are x2 and y2. दैट मीन्स ये पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस पे y2 जितने डिस्टेंस पे है एंड y एक्सिस पे y2 जितने डिस्टेंस पे है, वेयर x1 इज नॉट इक्वल टू x2 एंड y1 इज नॉट इक्वल टू y2. दैट मीन्स this line is not parallel to y axis and this line is not parallel to x axis. Here this condition is show that this line is not parallel to y axis and this condition shows that this line is not parallel to x axis. Now let p x y be any point on the line AB. So we take another random point P whose coordinates are x and y. Thus the point A, P and B are collinear. Here the new word is collinear. Collinear is nothing but the line having the same point. मतलब वो पॉइंट जो एक ही लाइन के ऊपर हो वो पॉइंट को कहेंगे या वो लाइन को कहेंगे हम कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स और कोलिनियर. Therefore slope of line AP is equal to slope of line AB. If the points are collinear then slope of their points are always same. So here these 3 points are collinear, that's why that slopes are equal. Now we know the formula of slope. Slope is nothing but the difference of y coordinates divided by difference of the x coordinate. So slope of line AP, here this one the coordinate of point A is x1 y1 and the coordinate of point P is x and y. So difference of y coordinate, so difference of y coordinate is y minus y1 upon difference of x coordinate, so difference of x minus x1. So slope of line AP is nothing but the y minus y1 upon x minus x1 and slope of line AB is equal to difference of y coordinate divided by difference of the x coordinate. So difference of y is, here you can write y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Now interchanging numerator and denominator, finally we get the formula y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So this one is the equation of line joining 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now let's take example based on this equation. Find the equation of line passing through the points 1 0 and 2 minus 1. And another question is, does the point 2 2 lie on this line? That means we want to check or we have to check that ये point क्या ये line के ऊपर है या नहीं. So the equation of a line joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Here the value of x1 is 1, value of y1 is 0, x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to minus 1. So put all these value in this equations, we get y minus 0 upon 0 plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 upon 1 minus 2. So y minus 0 is 1, y minus 0 is y and 0 plus 1 is 1 is equal to x minus 1 upon 1 minus 2 is nothing but the minus 1. So cross multiply these two terms, we get minus y is equal to x minus 1 or finally we get y is equal to 1 minus y, 1 minus x. So this one is the required equation of line joining these 2 points. Now another question is, as see here, next we have to check that whether these 2 points lie on this line or not. If these 2 points, if this point lie on this line, then it must be satisfied this equation. That means it's become a LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so now we verify whether 2, that means this point lie on this line or not. So first take, we have given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to again 2. Put this value in this equation. So let's take first LHS. Here LHS is equal to y and the value of y is equal to 2. That means the value of LHS is equal to 2. Now let's take RHS. Here the RHS is 1 minus x. Put x is equal to 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So the value of RHS is equal to minus 1. Now we see here value of LHS is not equal to RHS. That means value of LHS is equal to 2 and value of RHS is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to. That's why we can say that this point is not lie on this line. Now next equations, we find the equation of line having slope m and passing through one point A whose coordinates are x1 and y1. So let the slope of line be m. एक लाइन ले रहे जिसके स्लोप को हम m से डिनोट कर रहे and let's take one point A whose coordinates are x1 and y1 be a point on the line L. Let P x5 be any arbitrary or random point on the line L. Now P and A both are on the same line, that's why their slopes are always equal. So slope of line AP is equal to slope of line L. Now we know the formula of slope. Slope is nothing but the difference of y coordinate divided by difference of the x coordinate. So here the value, the coordinates of A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of P are x1, x and y, which is nothing but the x2 and y2. So difference of y coordinate is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to slope of line L. And we already denote m as a slope of line L is equal to m. So multiply this quantity or take this quantity on other side of equality, we get y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So this one is the required equation of line having slope m and passing through one point A x1 y1. So now let's take example based on this equation. Find the equation of line having the slope 2 by 3 and passing through the point minus 4 comma 6. So we know the formula of equation of line having slope m and passing through the point A x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where y1 and x1 are the coordinates of point A and m is the slope. Now this already given in this example, the value of slope is nothing but the 2 by 3 and the point and the coordinates of point A is minus 4 comma 6. That means the value of x1 is equal to minus 4 and the value of y1 is equal to 6. Now put this value in this equations, we get y minus 6 is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 4. Now multiply or take 3 on the other side of equality and multiply by this one. So 3 into y minus 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 4. So multiply 3 by y minus 6, we get 3 into y or 3y minus 3 into 6 is 18 is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So 2x, now take 3y on the other side of equality, plus 3y become minus 3y. So 2x minus 3y प्लस 18 और ये माइनस 18 को अगर दूसरी तरफ इक्वालिटी के लेके जाते तो ये बन जाएगा प्लस 18 इज इक्वल टू 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 18 plus 18 is nothing but the 26. So 2x minus 3y plus 26 is equal to 0. So this one is the required equation of line having slope 2 by 3 and passing through the point minus 4 comma 6. Now let's take another formula or another equation of line having slope m and making c intercept on y axis. So Suppose the line L has the slope m and it makes an intercept of length c on y-axis. Hence A0C is a point on the line L. Here this one is the c intercept on x, intercept c on y-axis. That's why its x coordinate is always 0. If it is a intercept on y-axis, then we put x coordinate is equal to 0. और अगर वो इंटरसेप्ट x एक्सिस पे बनाता है तो हमें उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 लेना होता है. तो यहाँ पे वो इंटरसेप्ट y एक्सिस पे बना रहा है, इसलिए हमने a का x कोऑर्डिनेट लिया हुआ है 0. हैंस A0C और वो जो इंटरसेप्ट है उसकी लेंथ है c. हैंस A0C is a point on the line L. And let's take one another arbitrary point P x y on the same line. That's why the slope of line AP is equal to slope of line L. Now the formula of slope is difference of y coordinate divided by difference of the x coordinate. Here the coordinate of point A is x1 y1 and the coordinate of point P is x and y. So difference of y coordinate is y minus c upon x minus 0 is equal to slope of line L and L का slope है m. So y minus c upon x is equal to m. अब ये x को अगर इक्वालिटी की दूसरी तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. So y minus c is equal to m into x और ये minus c अगर इक्वालिटी की दूसरी तरफ जाएगा ये हो जाएगा plus c. Therefore y is equal to mx plus c. So this one is the required equation of line having slope m and making c intercept on y-axis. Now let's take example based on this equation. Find the equation of line having slope 2/3 and the intercept on y-axis as 6. मतलब हमें equation of line ढूंढना है जो 2/3 जितने स्लोप पे हो और y एक्सिस पे c जितना इंटरसेप्ट बना रहा हो. द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन joining having slope m and making intercept c on y axis is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Now in these equations in this example we have the value of m, that means slope is given 2/3 and c intercept on y axis is given as 6. So put these two values in this equation, we get y is equal to 2/3 into x plus 6. अब ये 3 को यहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे तो ये टर्म्स हो जाएगी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. So 3y is equal to 2x plus 3 into 6 is 18. So 3y is equal to 2x plus 18. अब ये 3y को यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस. So 2x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. So this one is the required equation of line having slope 2/3 and making intercept c is equal to 6 on y axis. Thank you.